CELPIP Speaking. Today I'm going to talk about the CELPIP Speaking test. Make sure you watch this till the end and save this video. The CELPIP Speaking test has 8 tasks, the CELPIP General Speaking test. All these tasks you have to perform on a computer. The scoring is AI scored plus human scored both. So the first scoring will be by AI and the second will be by a human, both compulsorily. The first task is giving an advice. You'll be given a prompt in which you're supposed to give an advice. Always remember to stick to the content and speak naturally. You will be tested on mostly Canadian English and on day-to-day tasks, not necessarily academic English. Task 2, talking about a personal experience. This is one of the easiest tasks in CELPIP Speaking. You can speak naturally, but remember, don't exaggerate. Focus on clarity and proper speed. Task 3, describing a scene. This is similar to describe image, where you have an image or a scene. You're supposed to talk for it for about 90 seconds only. And you also get preparation time in all these tasks before you start speaking. Task 4, making predictions. So you'll be given a topic and you're supposed to talk what might happen later. Task 5, comparing and persuading. You're supposed to compare two situations and then you persuade the listener to choose one of those two situations. Task 6, dealing with a difficult situation. The name is dealing with a difficult situation, but it's not that difficult either. So it's an easy task, but obviously you need practice, and we do provide a proper structure which will enable you to speak fluently. Task 7, expressing opinions. So again, you're given opinions and you're supposed to give your point of view by explaining that opinion. Task 8, describing an unusual situation. So this could be any situation. For example, describe a time when you missed your train for a meeting, for a very important conference. So you are supposed to describe that situation. Now the key skills which you'll be tested on will be clarity of ideas and your organizations of thought, vocabulary range and appropriateness, grammar accuracy and variety, and lastly, fluency, pronunciation and pacing. Remember, you don't have to speak very fast. You have to speak naturally and you must always stick to your content. Scoring information, total 8 tasks as mentioned, 30 to 90 seconds response time per task. The scale on which you will be scored will be from scale level 1 to 12. Each module in CELPIP is scored out of 12 bands. And finally, the marking style, as I said, is both AI plus human. Band 12 strategy, basically you need to plan 2 to 3 points, and for that you need a lot of practice. We in our coaching do provide one-to-one speaking classes and also theory sessions before that, so that you'll be fully equipped and know the proper structure which will help you with your fluency, your idea generation, content strategy as well as your pronunciation. Speak continuously and avoid long pauses. Don't do too many times. A few times it's all right. Keep your structure like opening, then explanation, and finally the closing. Next, self-correct naturally if needed. Don't do it very often also. Finally, finish strong and don't stop too early. Don't keep your answer too short. Keep it of a normal length. Finally, always remember that if you speak fluently and naturally, that is better than aiming for perfection. A clear structure will definitely impress the AI as well as the human scorer. And finally, if you speak with confidence the way I'm speaking right now, you sit straight and you ooze confidence, that always increases your chances of getting a higher score in CELPIP. If you need classes for CELPIP, we provide online classes worldwide. If you are in Australia, we also provide the actual test booking at a discounted price. There are a few limited vouchers left with us. And finally, we do provide classes wherever you are in the world, and we provide our best portal, which is mockmaster.ai, which also comes with 25 official CELPIP score tests. So don't wait, book a demo class with us today and good luck.